If you're looking to practice pharmacy in Australia, whether you studied here or overseas, you'll need to undertake a period of supervised practice. For most, this includes an internship where you'll be practicing under the direct supervision of a generally registered pharmacist. This is called your preceptor. This video covers the basics, but internships are managed by the Pharmacy Board of Australia, not the Australian Pharmacy Council. So for detailed requirements, head to the Pharmacy Board website. Who undertakes an internship? Internships are for those who have graduated from an Australian pharmacy program or overseas trained pharmacists from any country other than New Zealand, Ireland, Canada, the UK or USA. What is an internship and why is it required? Internships help you apply your knowledge in real-world settings. They take you from foundational capabilities to entry to practice readiness. They ensure you understand our healthcare system, can comply with legislation and standards, and that you can practice in culturally safe ways. An internship involves 3 key components. You need to complete the Pharmacy Board's minimum number of hours of supervised practice. Check the Pharmacy Board website for the current number of hours. You need to complete an APC accredited intern training program. This program will help with your development and will include online and face-to-face learning, assignments, assessments, and training in professional and cultural competencies. Towards the end of your intern year, you need to pass 2 major exams: the intern written exam, which is delivered by us at the APC, and the oral exam, delivered by the Pharmacy Board of Australia. How to organise your internship. To start, carefully read the Pharmacy Board of Australia's website and resources. They've got all the information you need. Arrange your practice site and preceptor. Preceptors aren't assigned to you. You'll need to find your own preceptor at a practice site, which may be a community pharmacy or a hospital. The job market can be competitive, so start your research early. Submit your supervised practice arrangement to the Pharmacy Board. After securing a practice site and preceptor, you'll need to apply for provisional registration with the Pharmacy Board. To do this, you'll need to submit details through their website. Bear in mind, the APC doesn't organise supervised practice arrangements, and completing your skills assessment doesn't guarantee registration or employment. What about visas and sponsorship? Overseas trained pharmacists who sit the OPRA exam might need to find an employer who's willing to sponsor them to gain a visa and work in Australia. It's good to be aware that this comes with costs and various requirements for the business owner. Depending on your circumstances, this can take a long time, so we recommend that you talk to employers before sitting the OPRA exam. There are various types of visas that you might be eligible for. These can be found on the APC website or the Department of Home Affairs website. Keep in mind, APC does not have any influence over decisions relating to visas or sponsorship. Once you've completed at least 75% of your supervised practice hours, you can sit your exams. The written exam, run by the Australian Pharmacy Council, tests your knowledge and readiness to practice. The oral exam, conducted by the Pharmacy Board of Australia, tests your decision making and communication. Keep in mind, there are costs involved. These include exam fees, registration fees, insurance, and possibly relocation or visa costs if you're not already living in Australia. It's a busy year. You'll have to manage work, study, and exams, so time management is critical. And finally, remember, as an intern, you have rights in the workplace. Help is available through professional pharmacy associations, so reach out if you do need help.